Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Dakota, the place where we try to make sense of all the corporate mumbo jumbo, and today we're going to look at CaliberCos Incorporated's very important announcement. Let's just say some exciting developments in the world of pickleball construction. So buckle up because this might be even more fun than a championship match. Alright, so it is the 29th of September 2025 and CaliberCos Incorporated, which we call Caliber for short, has put out a press release about a big step forward for their joint venture called Pure Pickleball, and Padel Pure seems to be their project to build a facility dedicated to these increasingly popular sports. Now this isn't just any press release, this is filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission as a Form 8K, which basically means it's a report of a major event that shareholders need to know about right away. The big news here is that the construction documents for Pure are officially finished, and they have been submitted and accepted for review by the Salt River Pima Maricopa Indian Community, which they call SRP Mike. This is actually a pretty big deal because it means they are now in the final stages before construction can actually begin. Think of it like this, they are getting all their blueprints and plans ready, and now they are submitting them to the authorities to get the official go-ahead, the building permit. That's the last hurdle before the bulldozers can roll in and start building the sports facility. This is a positive sign for Caliber and their partners because it shows progress on a development project that likely represents a significant investment and a potential new revenue stream for the company. Now the actual press release announcing all of this is attached to this SEC filing as Exhibit 99.1. This is basically their way of saying here is the official announcement we are making to the public, and we are filing it with the SEC to make sure everyone is informed. So what does this really mean for CaliberCos Incorporated? Well, it means they are moving forward with their Pure Pickleball and Paddle project, this facility. When built, could attract a lot of people for sporting events and recreation, potentially bringing in revenue through memberships, court rentals, and other amenities. Companies like Caliber Incorporated often engage in these kinds of development projects as a way to diversify their business and tap into growing markets. Pickleball and padel are booming sports, so it makes sense that a company would want to invest in facilities that cater to them. While this specific filing doesn't give us any direct financial numbers like revenue or profit, for this particular project it signals active business development and forward momentum, which is always something investors like to see. John C. Loeffler II, the Chief Executive Officer of Caliber Incorporated, has signed off on this report, which shows his commitment to keeping the market updated on these important milestones. It is also worth noting that Caliber Incorporated is identified as an emerging growth company. This means they have certain regulatory flexibility and are likely still in a growth phase, which makes projects like Pure even more crucial for their long-term success. Now looking at this from a bigger picture perspective, Caliber Incorporated is making a strategic move into a popular and growing recreational market. This Pure Pickleball and Padel project is a concrete step towards expanding their business operations. What are the strengths here? Well, the company is actively pursuing growth opportunities in a trend-driven market. The completion and submission of construction documents indicate good project management and a clear path towards realizing this development. This is a tangible step forward. Not just talk, what about weaknesses or risks? Well, the success obviously hinges on the actual construction going smoothly and on budget, and then the facility attracting enough customers to be profitable competition in the entertainment and sports facility market. Can be fierce, and the popularity of these sports, while high now, could change over time. The opportunity is clear. 2. Capture a share of the burgeoning pickleball and padel market, potentially creating a very profitable enterprise. This could also pave the way for Caliber Incorporated to develop more similar facilities in other locations. In conclusion, this filing represents a positive development for Caliber Incorporated, showing clear progress on a key strategic initiative. While we don't have financial numbers for this specific event yet, the advancement of the Pure Pickleball and Padel project is a strong indicator of the company's forward-looking strategy. So what do you think about this move into pickleball and padel facilities? Do you see this as a home run for Caliber Incorporated? Or are there too many unknowns? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Dakota for more insights into the world of business and finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, for even more discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.